Dear friends, welcome to yet another installment of Orbital Geek. In this video, we will explore the 7 incredible stages of artificial intelligence, starting with rule-based systems and reaching the speculative concept of the AI Singularity. We will follow the evolution of AI, going through contextual awareness, mastery in specific domains, human-like reasoning, the pursuit of artificial general intelligence, and finally, the controversial idea of artificial superintelligence. But are we ready for an AI more advanced than us? This perspective raises profound ethical questions. Watch until the end to find out more and draw your own conclusions. Is the singularity a real possibility, or just science fiction? Don't miss it. Did you know there are 7 different stages of artificial intelligence? In a world where technology is increasingly present, understanding where we are on this journey towards AI can be very valuable. In this video, we will explain each stage clearly and in an easy-to-understand way. Your comment is very important to us. It helps the algorithm recommend our videos to more people, which is essential for the growth of our channel, especially now at the beginning. If you can, leave a comment, even if it's just a simple hello. Your participation makes all the difference. Let's start with the first stage. First stage, rule-based AI systems. Rule-based AI systems, also called one-task systems, represent the initial phase of artificial intelligence. These systems work based on a set of predefined rules or an algorithm provided by programmers. Imagine playing chess against a computer. The computer knows all possible moves and outcomes based on its coded rules. It can decide the best move based on those rules, but it cannot learn or adapt beyond them. These systems are optimal for tasks with clear rules, such as diagnosing a mechanical problem or processing tax returns. They are reliable and consistent, but their intelligence is quite limited. They cannot learn or understand context. Their decisions are based solely on the rules provided, and they cannot handle scenarios that have not been pre-programmed. Stage 2. Context-aware and retention systems. Taking a step forward from rule-based AI systems, we have context-aware and retention systems. This stage represents a significant advance in artificial intelligence. These systems can understand and retain context. That is, they can remember previous interactions and use that knowledge to respond more accurately in the future. A prime example of this is your smartphone assistant, like Siri or Google Assistant. They not only execute commands, but also learn from your past interactions. For example, if you ask, "Who won the soccer game yesterday?" and then ask, "When is their next game?" the system understands that "their" refers to the soccer team mentioned earlier. This represents a big leap compared to rule-based systems, as these systems understand context, retain information, and can handle a much wider variety of interactions. Another example is the famous ChatGPT, which is trained on millions of previous conversations and can generate automated human-like responses in any conversation. This ability to understand context and retain information allows these AI systems to offer a more personalized and sophisticated user experience. They are like teenagers in the development of AI. They are not yet independent thinkers, but they have learned to remember and use context in their interactions. Stage 3. Domain mastery systems. Moving one step further from context-aware systems, we reach domain mastery systems. This stage represents the ability of AI not only to understand and retain information, but to also become highly skilled within a specific field. Domain-specific AI can be found in various specialized applications. These systems are not generalists, but experts in a specific area. A perfect example is IBM's Watson, designed to excel at answering questions on the quiz show Jeopardy! Another example is Google's DeepMind AlphaGo, which was specifically trained to master the complex board game Go, surpassing world champions. These systems have such a deep understanding of their specific domain that they surpass any human. They can analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions or predictions quickly and accurately. Domain mastery systems represent the adult phase in the development of AI, demonstrating sophisticated skills within their specialized fields. However, despite their advancement, they are still far from achieving the goal of true artificial general intelligence. Stage 4. Thought and reasoning. AI systems. In the fourth stage, we find AI systems that begin to mimic the human ability of thought and reasoning. Unlike the previous stages, these systems not only follow rules or retain context, they attempt to simulate the human thought process. Thought and reasoning, AI systems can understand complex concepts, solve unknown problems, and even generate creative ideas. This is made possible through techniques such as machine learning and deep learning, which allow AI to learn from experience and improve its performance over time. For example, an AI system could read a book, understand the plot, and even infer the motivations of the characters based on their actions, or it could analyze economic data, predict market trends, and suggest investment strategies. At this stage, AI begins to approach human intelligence in a deeper way, but it is not yet equivalent to the human mind. It is more like a highly advanced tool specialized in reasoning and thinking tasks. And as impressive as these AI systems are, we are still only halfway there. The next stages enter the realm of science fiction, where AI equals and even surpasses human intelligence. Stage 5. The birth of a new mind, artificial general intelligence, AGI. As we enter the realm of artificial general intelligence, we are exploring a world of AI that, for now, is largely theoretical. AGI, also known as strong AI, refers to a type of artificial intelligence that equals human intelligence in all aspects. An AGI system would be able to understand, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. It would not only excel in one domain, like the AI systems of Stage 3, or exhibit human-like reasoning, like in Stage 4. AGI would be able to perform any intellectual task that a human being can perform. If you asked an AGI to learn a new language, write a symphony, derive a complex mathematical theorem, or even understand human emotions, theoretically it should be able to do so. It would possess self-awareness, consciousness, and the ability to understand and navigate the world just like a human being. However, currently, AGI is a concept that has not yet been achieved. It is the frontier of AI research, and also where things start to become controversial, because what happens when AI equals human intelligence? What comes next? Well, let's find out. Stage 6. Artificial superintelligence, ASI. If you found the previous stages challenging, brace yourself for artificial superintelligence, ASI. This is a level of AI where things really get complex, to the point where it becomes difficult to define what is and what is not AI, as an ASI system would have cognitive abilities far superior to ours. The concept of ASI implies an AI that surpasses humans in most economically valuable tasks. It's not just about doing everything a human does, but doing it better, faster, and more efficiently. To understand the level of intelligence of an ASI, imagine a human being compared to an ant. An ASI could solve problems that humans cannot, presenting solutions for complex global issues such as climate change or diseases. It could innovate and create in ways we cannot even imagine, providing insights into the mysteries of the universe that are beyond our current understanding. However, the advent of ASI also brings a host of ethical and security concerns. The potential for misuse is enormous, and the risk of unintended consequences is equally significant. It raises fundamental questions about power, control, and the very nature of intelligence and consciousness. The prospect of ASI takes us into the realm of the unknown, and it is here that we find the final stage of our journey. Stage 7. The AI Singularity. The AI Singularity, often called just the singularity, is a hypothetical point in the future when technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible, leading to unpredictable changes in human civilization. This is primarily associated with the advent of artificial superintelligence, ASI. The term singularity in this context was popularized by futurist Ray Kurzweil and derives from physics, where a singularity represents a point, like the center of a black hole, where the rules we know seem to break down. In the context of AI, the singularity represents a point at which an ASI is not only more intelligent than humans, but is also able to continuously self-improve at a rate far beyond human capability. This self-improvement could cause an explosive acceleration in technological advancement. The singularity is often associated with dramatic predictions, such as the end of humanity, the ability to transfer human consciousness to a computer, and the potential for massive social disruption. it is important to note that the concept of the singularity is highly speculative and controversial. While some experts consider it a real possibility, others see it as pure science fiction. We simply cannot imagine what a true ASI would be like. So regardless of where one stands in relation to the possibility of the singularity, this journey through these 7 stages of AI helps us understand the incredible potential of this technology and the challenges and ethical questions it raises as we look to the future. One thing is certain, the role of AI in our world will only continue to grow. It is crucial to emphasize that, despite all the speculation surrounding the AI singularity, the initial stages are already happening and producing significant technological advances. Rule-based, context-aware, and domain mastery systems are tangible realities that impact our daily lives. As we progress toward reasoning AI and eventually artificial general intelligence, we will face unprecedented ethical and philosophical challenges. However, it is our responsibility as a scientific society to engage in that dialogue and shape the course of this transformative technology. The singularity may be a hypothetical concept, but its implications are real. So the thought-provoking question is, will we be prepared to embrace or fear an artificial superintelligence? Leave your challenging thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation happening.